underneath the turbo to the cooler.
Take a measurement, make sure.
Yep. So that's 2 1/4, half that's 1 1/8. Fuck, that's barely money. So
Jesus Christ. It's like I used a measuring tape before.
yeah, you just set this up in like 5 minutes. Just like that, buddy.
Just like that.
Look at that clean cut. Good eye, Mike. Right down the vibrant too, look. CIBRANT. Sick. So now
We got an S.
we got an S. So rough cut of the new rad. So Mike's making a 9-inch rad, so he's still running a 9-inch fan, and it's still double core. So yeah, and we're going to make this up on top. So Mike's gonna make a custom piece that this will sit up here like this. So then we don't have any blockage through the system. So then the rad can sit lower, and all the air can come up here, guys. So that'll be pretty cool. We'll have that sitting here with the pipe. We got the pipe over here, so it'll be like this. Mike will weld that up, and we'll cut that down to length, but that'll be sitting up there like that pretty much. So that'll be sick. And yeah. What you doing? Oh, dang.
I love it when things work good.
This is gonna be a good build, boys. The old TIG still working good. Custom 9-inch radiator. Mike's banging out for us so then we can fit it behind the cooler here, so it'll actually fit between the gate and the 3.5-inch pipe. So that's what we're working with, boys. And then up top here, I just pulled the top plenum off. We got some things that we're working with here, and you guys can see my port job that I did. So I did this myself in-house, and this is basically like the 220 racing, but it's like a stage 3. So she should flow pretty good, and then you guys can see the direct pour nitrous too. So yeah, Mike's, I was just showing them the radiator you got done. You just make some end caps, and you gotta weld her up.
That'll be today's project.
Yeah, we'll be back in the morning, and then we're gonna get some killer beads laid out on this thing, and get some pipes all fabbed up, and go from there, guys. So, all right, guys. Mike got this rad all fabbed up, so it's actually gonna sit sideways in the car. Sit like that, and then this will go up to our top pipe, and that'll go to our thermostat. So that's pretty badass. Custom fab. And then right now we're getting ready to mount the cooler. So Mike's got a cool idea. We're gonna kind of plate there, plate the side, and then connect them. And we're going to pull the turbo off right now. We're just gonna pull this housing off. So I got these bolts all out here. And I got 2 left on the top. And then Mike's gonna cut this end off so we can actually make that go to the cooler. Alright, get these bolts off here. We'll pull that off. There. She's toyed, eh? She's toyed, Michael. Might have to take those off. Maybe not. Maybe not. There we go. That'll work. Just like that, boys.
Just like that.
Just like that. Mike's gonna cut that end off. Go from there. That's why we got the chop saw, right, boys? Hey, when your buddy cuts up your $600 fucking housing. Yeah. She works, though.
This wish I had a bigger
Surface, yeah.
surface.
I know. We're working with what we got.
Yeah.
It's nice because it's a small table, but at the same time, a big one would be ideal. Just like that, boys. We're gonna clean this up, blow it all out, get it ready for Mike to weld.
It's the other
That's
piece.
the old piece we took off. So once we clean it up, we'll set it on and kind of see what we got to do, and we'll go from there. Yeah, buddy.
Huh?
Tell the boys it's all in the prep or what?
All in the prep,
It's all in the prep. And skills in the end, I guess. Because then your welds are matched these welds. Yeah, yeah, buddy. Yeah, move your fancy chair, Mike. Got your rag in your chair. coming, boys. Mike's got some killer fab work on the go. Looks really good in the camera too.
I was trying to find a Shelby swap for my car, but they're so damn expensive.
She's clean though.
Yeah, and then you get
It's got bigger injectors in it too. I don't know what they are, but
yeah.
you can see them. L&M race engines.
I brought Mom for a drive the other night. Yeah, she fucking shit her pants.
She was probably tripping.
I took that hill there at Hill Hill.
Yeah.
Went up the hill, fucking fourth gear, and she's never seen a car climb so far.
Mom.
Front tires right up in the air.
Yeah, she's clean, man.
Car's never been driven in the rain since yesterday till I had to drive back.
Yeah. I had to get her home, man. 20th anniversary.
360 kilometers an hour, and I guarantee with everything that's done to it, it'll do 400.
Yeah, sure. She bury that needle, no problem. 6-speed. She's a nice rig, that's for sure. Super nice. What do you think, Nova?